Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at Dayton Scream Park in Dayton, Ohio. This is one of the longest haunts that we go to, and they also have probably the biggest variety of scares and themes than any other haunt we go to here in the state. You're not gonna wanna miss it, so without further ado, let's get in and get some scares.
Oh no, 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 no.
What is it on the end of it there?
What's on there, poop?
Oh my God.
Do not enter. Yeah. We're gonna scream a lot.
I think I may have just peed a little.
Yes.
Oh, what is that?
I don't know. I don't trust it.
Oh God. The pipe maze.
I like this though.
Woo!
Oh, there's that plumber guy.
Oh no, Tammy, look out.
It's that time.
She needs a pad.
I have one.
That's a tampon.
That's a plug.
Oh no.
Come on, go.
Oh no.
Don't need no poopsicles.
That stinks.
Oh,
Nice.
God.
You have made a mess in here.
Oh man.
What's it, a nose plug you needed, my lady?
No, thank you.
She does
Go
it.
just like this.
Oh, it
It's
goes
a
right
nose
in
plug.
there.
Yeah,
I have very
we don't-
small nose holes.
Well, it is a small.
S
sure?
means
It's a
super.
small.
S means super.
Well, here, have a bite.
No, I don't. Oh, that looks delicious.
Yeah,
No, I'm good.
Oh God.
What is
There's
that?
chunks in it. Step.
There is
It
chunks.
smells.
Chipotle.
It smells funny.
Chipotle?
Would you like some?
No. Maybe Trevor
Ew,
wants some.
no lick.
I'm allergic.
No
I'm
lick.
allergic to that. I am, whatever that is, I'm allergic to it.
Hey!
Come on, let's do it, Dad. Come on.
Okay.
Let's do it. Come on. Oh, yeah, here we go.
Onto the bus.
Right into the bus.
It's a colorful
It's a
bus.
short bus, but don't feel bad.
That's okay. I belong on this short
That's what we always
bus.
go on.
I belong on here. Man, they've been hanging out in here. They got some nice decors.
Having a party?
Oh.
You are my
Goodness, are you okay? Fast clown.
Enjoy the show.
Bye, profanity. There's something over there.
Hi.
Uh-oh. I see something else. It looks like a fairy.
Oh, he's gonna do this.
Okay, all right, if you say so.
Oh God.
I don't know,
He wants
Tammy. It
to.
looks like there might be something different.
You wanna do this, right?
Yeah. No, see, I told you.
Oh, it's a tooth fairy.
I'm kind of
Fairy.
attached to them.
Here, I'll make you a deal, okay?
What?
I'll make it a lot less sanitary. I'll take the glove off.
Oh,
It's
God.
very handy to rip them out.
No, it's okay. I'm good. Thank you.
Oh, you gonna reach in there?
No.
You gonna reach in there?
Oh.
Not just take yours!
Hey, Doug. Hey, Hub Page. You go.
Oh God.
Please, it took me so long to go.
What are we doing here?
What in the world?
Oh no!
Oh, now she's being greedy.
Yeah, wasn't it?
Oh God.
You let him in here, didn't you?
I did not. She did it. She let
Sorry, they just flew in here.
him in. No.
He seems angry.
Go.
It smells weird in here. Uh-oh.
He lost his present. Oh God.
They're from the umbrella. Oh, Trevor! Look out! Oh my God! He about took the whole thing down.
Oh God. He's on the other side.
I saw a shadow.
No, that one's dead. You saw a shadow?
Yes.
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
Oh, that's
awesome.
Oh, watch out! That one sprays. She just did it. Yeah. She's awesome. Watch out! They forgot to say the crazy clowns would come through. Hi. Oh my God!
That was
Wow.
dramatic.
Oh wow! All right. I tried that once.
Yeah, I broke a hip.
It's her again. She's so good. Oh, she's so fast. What the heck is that? It's a pig. Oh, that's the umbrella guy again.
Angry.
Oh, this looks a little like witchy or something.
Or woodsy.
Yeah, woodsy. That's the word.
I think this is the part where they kill us.
It could be.
That's what the music says. Yeah.
That's what it definitely entails.
Trevor's still got his tampon.
He's got his
Well,
present
that's
back
good.
here.
And I love it.
You thought you got away from me, didn't you?
Yeah, he just got us a minute ago.
Yeah, baby.
Oh.
There's
There's somebody in here. They're pre-partying.
Pre-gaming.
bus.
Doing the pre-party.
Danger noodle.
There's the pre-party.
Oh my God. There's something in there.
There was.
There was something. They're just eyeballing. Oh no.
Oh.
Oh. Uh-oh. That sign says run.
Whoa.
Oh, I'm
Nope,
not.
we're gonna keep running.
Uh-oh.
He's excited.
You making all that noise. She's got some past victim on her shirt. Uh-oh. I don't know
Like she
about
might
it.
just snap here at any second.
No. They're friendly. Right? Friendly. Family.
Are you peeing in the corner?
I don't know, Tammy.
Oh no. He's not peeing in the corner. Oh no.
That one's creepy. I don't trust it.
He's got the special sauce. And he spit on the ground.
I've got blood on me. That's
I
wonderful.
think he's missing an eye.
Oh, it's a masterpiece.
Beautiful.
Is that bloody?
I think she might be easy
Oh.
to scare.
Yeah, you gotta add that
Oh.
in there. What? Then the world, there was suddenly a pig there. Uh-oh, they're coming out. They're coming out.
He's
Oh,
out. He's out.
I like the pig. Uh-oh. That ain't good. I think they tried to stop the bleed. Oh, my goodness. I told you they're a different type of zombie. Oh, explosives. Oh, no.
Yes. Smoking.
Tammy's excited about the explosives.
Let's blow some stuff up.
Uh-oh, he's got lots of skin on him that doesn't look like it's theirs.
That's not your skin.
Oh.
Oh, it's foggy. It's radioactive.
That's like a spider-looking thing. I don't like
Been hanging around the radiation too long.
green stuff, though.
God.
Oh my gosh! Yeah! That's awesome! Yeah! Oh, whoa! They're coming at us. Uh-oh, there's a well and somebody crawling out of the well. Ew! Look at the well!
Oh, God.
3 days.
So creepy! Oh no! 7 days.
Oh, God.
Oh, don't pick up that phone!
Don't answer it.
Don't answer it!
It's a bad idea.
Never don't do it!
I won't.
Boneyard! Oh, there's somebody in the boneyard! The boneyard is not just bones. They're There's more. Oh, that's creepy. That is creepy.
I love Mickey.
Tammy, I don't think you want to hug that.
I did want to hug it. I'm going to air hug you.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh, God, no, I don't know.
Oh, God.
That's a cool costume. I love that.
That's the
Insane
children's
asylum?
insane asylum. Oh, God.
Okay. Yeah.
That is not a children. The music intensifies. Oh, God. It's the jackal. It's the jackal.
Oh, my God.
No.
Okay. Oh. Not this game. No way.
Oh, God.
Oh, I love the dragon in the air.
What?
Where did the cell come from?
What did they put you in
Where's
here?
that Benny?
No.
Drop stuff, anybody?
You dropped it?
You drop the soap!
No,
You want to drop the soap?
I can't do it.
I want him! I want this big boy!
Oh, no,
Drop
no.
the soap!
No, drop the
Drop me,
phone.
Dad!
Hey now. Be nice down there.
No, nibble!
No nibbles. No nibbles.
I'm crazy!
No nibbles. No. The other guy's the crazy one.
He's
Don't
crazy.
drop the soap. No. Woo! Oh my God.
Oh, God.
Ah! Try to run.
What are you doing on my land?
Trying to get away from the scary
Get off
things.
my land!
We're
I
looking
don't
for
know.
pumpkins.
I don't know the
Get off
way
my
out.
land!
Oh, God.
What are you doing on my land? I said get off my land!
We're
He's
looking for
back.
pumpkins.
We want more pumpkins.
Could you not?
Oh my God.
Could you not do that?
Yep.
They're gonna do. Oh my God.
Oh no!
Oh my God. What did he say?
The balloon? No, this was a gift.
He wants the balloon, he said.
No, I
Oh,
have to
God.
keep
The
it.
balloon.
Nope.
He's trying.
No,
that
I need
gesture
this
will
again.
cut you.
Nope. You gotta protect the balloon.
There's somebody banging.
Oh, God.
I hear him in there banging. Oh my God.
Oh, my.
Oh, we gotta follow them?
Oh, God.
Man.
Into the dungeon.
Oh, Jesus. It's a Grim Reaper.
Oh, man.
Oh, to hell.
Thank you.
Oh,
Bye.
here
Oh,
that's a giant skull. Wow. No, no snacks.
Oh no!
Definitely not any snacks. Oh. Okay. Oh no.
Oh, into the carnival.
Oh, I
Oh,
know.
God. Hey.
Oh my gosh!
Are you
Gonna,
sure? No. Why not? Because they're scary. Oh, what the hell? Oh my God, they're real.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, no, don't go in there.
Cockroach in his mouth.
Baby birds. Oh.
No!
He just baby birded him.
No! No!
In the dark.
In the dark. Oh, God, he's
Tammy.
gone.
Oh my God.
Oh no!
I still don't know what this is for. That's not good.
Oh!
Oh. Okay, all right.
Oh. He's stuck in there. Oh, God.
Whoa. These workers are coming back. Oh God. Tammy, they're waiting for us.
Oh, God.
That was good.
Did the glow stick help?
I don't think so. I think it may be a target.
Oh, there's bubbles.
Oh no.
Oh, God. Oh, you got more
Doesn't fit in
critters.
your mouth. Wait. Oh God. That's good. I like that. Oh my. That is thick. That's like a. Oh my God.
This guy again.
Twitching. Ooh. Oh, one of them got around the rope, Tyler. Did you let them out?
Oh, God.
They can come over here. Don't let them think that. Oh, here they all come. Help us! Help!
They see your glow stick.
That's not good. Oh, there's aliens.
They trapped
They're
him.
rising. Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
No, I don't want to hold it. No.
There's a real one in there.
I'm gonna beat it with my glow stick.
No, you're not.
Uh-oh, there's the banjos.
Ah, baby!
Surprise!
Ah, give me that old
Chicken.
baby! Let's put it on that thing, baby!
Oh my God, she flipped him off and he said, "Thanks for showing me your IQ, baby."
Come on in!
Oh, where are we going?
We are having a grand old pool noodle fight in Madhouse.
Little fight.
Yeah! We are doing this! Yeah!
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit! Out of here!
No! I know. He's got sparks up there. Oh no, not the sparks.
What do you mean on the spot?
I don't like
Quit
it.
screaming!
No! Oh! What is that?
I'm gonna rip out your stomach!
Oh my God, no!
I'm still using it.
Put your teeth and eat them like a turkey!
I'm still using them right now.
Jackal. I don't trust you because you have sparks. Yeah. Oh my, this looks freaking cool. What is it? Oh God. Oh, it's a witch. Oh. Yeah. Oh, she's been hanging some people. Oh, look at the cauldrons. Look at the cauldrons. Let's. Oh, that just rose.
Oh my. That one's
Oh,
alive.
you got something on your face.
Yeah.
I ain't helping you. Tammy, they had puke all over. Oh, there's Freddy.
Freddy's up there.
Whoa.
Oh God.
You're going.
Not near you. I don't trust you, and I ain't going down that pipe. I do.
Hell sweet. Fresh meat.
Yeah? Hi, Freddy.
Don't worry.
But we're awake.
Freddy's got you.
Oh, God. Okay, all right. If you say so. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, God.
Freddy, take him down.
Jason.
Here we go.
Oh God.
Here we go. Yeah.
Here's Jason.
Who you rooting for, YouTube? Go, Freddy and Jason.
Oh God.
Woo! Oh, he broke the table.
Holy crap. I knew you had it in you, Jason.
Oh,
There
now
was
he's coming
Darren.
for us.
Oh God.
he's doing a
He's
noise.
coming back for more.
Oh,
He broke the table.
yesterday was his birthday. That was awesome.
Right?
Uh-oh.
Oh no, this camper's in there.
Oh, no. Run, Badger, against the tree. I forfeit. Oh, God.
This is my nightmare.
Oh God.
Welcome to prime time.
Welcome.
Yeah.
He's
I don't
angry.
trust neither one of them. Oh, my God. I love how Jason's making a noise. Oh, Michael. Oh, Tammy's going to get stabbed.
He's got a
He's
commitment.
trying to get close to Michael. He's going to stab her. Yeah.
No, go this way.
Uh-oh. Oh, Chucky's in there!
Oh,
That's
wow.
awesome! Oh my gosh, I love it. Taylor me. Alright. Oh, shit! He's up there! Oh God! Oh! I don't want to go down there!
He lit it on fire.
Uh-oh, he's getting
Okay.
down, Tammy.
Oh God.
Where'd you go, Leatherface? Uh-oh. Bubba?
Bubba.
Oh, no. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. You got a big blade, Leatherface.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. I have a feeling we're getting ready to find out.
The freezer. He chainsawed her
Oh,
up.
man. Uh-oh.
I have some Neosporin.
Neil's. All right, guys, that was Dayton Scream Park. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If you enjoyed this park, you are not going to want to miss Land of Illusion. That's another big Scream Park here in Ohio. I'll send you a link to that one right now. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.